I'm working for ControlUp Technologies. We're based in Israel. Basically, we are a monitoring and troubleshooting solution for virtual environments. We do have a big emphasis and tremendous value for desktop virtualization. And we know how to give a lot of collective analytics about the environment. Since our product is a cloud product, it's a software as a service, so we basically aggregate data from our community and we create benchmarks for interesting metrics like logon duration, resources consumption of applications like Google Chrome and Internet Explorer, and basically we create baselines based on the data that we got from the community. Agile is the piece that deliver the desktops, right? So that's the thing that is connected to the network, and the desktops are being displayed via the Agile Thin client. Behind the scenes, there is a big ecosystem for the actual piece that creates those VDI machines. One important piece is ControlUp. We basically are locating in the management layer. We supply tools that allow the administrators to execute actions in the aggregated level against multiple machines, that those machines eventually being delivered via Agile Thin clients. One of our main goals is to increase the user experience. Down the road, we have increased the features that we supply in this area. Today we even have one score. We've created a scoring mechanism that allows us to determine how happy your user is, based on a lot of metrics that we calculate, and we have an algorithm that calculates this grade for the user. Based on the community data that we got, we create baselines for thresholds. So for instance, we will highlight the logon duration if it's above 30 seconds, right? So the product comes out of the box with a lot of defaults predefined, and the defaults were well thought, so it's not accidental that they're there. Basically, once you aggregate all the machines into one data center, then you definitely remove a lot of the threats that exist when you are in a spread organization, when the data is actually hosted on the PCs around the globe. ControlUp is the layer that connects after you consolidated everything into your data center, and we will give you within the data center, we will give you all the information you need to make sure that you actually achieve your goals, right? So you go to those projects, invest millions of dollars, and you need to prove that your users are happy, that your environment is more secure before it was, and there are a lot of KPIs that define whether your project is a success or failure. ControlUp will be one of the pieces, and by the way, together with Agile, that will help you to prove and to determine whether you really succeeded with your project. We do have plans to increase the cooperation with Agile and to show the big value that those two solutions bring to the table when they are together. It gives you the full-blown solution that you imagined if you got like Agile on one side and ControlUp on the other side, and in between you chose the right solution for you. I see both ControlUp and Agile taking part in this revolution. So people are talking about the world is moving to work with applications with software as a service only, but we still see that the enterprises are not removing their on-prem solutions, and we still see huge projects here in Australia and in the US of people who are migrating to VDI. The VDI I wouldn't say that it has just started, but there is a long path for the VDI in the world. And ControlUp, you mentioned AI and machine learning, so ControlUp is definitely, it is in our roadmap to involve artificial intelligence algorithms in our solutions, and we already see it with our top insights report that gives you basically we have an AI robot that make conclusions upon your data and show you highlights like on a daily basis. So it is already there. We definitely have intention to invest more resources in that field. And obviously Igel, with what they do in the client side of things, is taking these solutions to a different generation.